Is your fridge suddenly a dark abyss? Don't panic. Usually, a fridge light not working is a super simple fix. First, unplug your fridge. Then, check the bowl. Look for a broken filament or dark glass. If it looks bad, swap it out. No luck? Test the door switch, the little button on the frame. Does it click? Is it sticky? Try cleaning it. Still no light? It might be time to call in the pros. Top Appliance Repair Burnaby is here for you.